If you've decided to delete your Hulu account permanently, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hulu website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage your subscription. In account settings, look for the section labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Before you can delete your account, you must cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel, ensuring you confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 5. Delete your account. After canceling your subscription, go back to the account settings. Look for the option to delete your account permanently. Follow the instructions provided to complete the deletion process. Once you've completed these steps, your Hulu account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose access to all your saved content and preferences.